Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to sketch a puppy dog, and I hope you really enjoyed this as much as I did. So you need some normal HB pencils and graphite pencils and you're good to go. So grab your tools and let's get started. So I'm drawing quickly the outline, and here showing the complete process of outlining makes the video unnecessarily long, hence I'm putting the reference pic below in my description box. First, I am taking the HB pencils and adding the directional lines all across eyes, ears, boundary portions across the body. Take the 2B HB pencils to put base layers all across the eye, body. Put pressure wherever you need to put a dark lines and shades. Notice the shades wherever darker in the reference pics and you can put it accordingly. All across the nose, around the mouth, and see the boundary area of the ears. And blending gives a very smooth texture, so wherever needed try to blend the dark and the lighter shades together. Now you can use either 3B or 4B graphite pencils to put a little more darker lines all across the body, and to give a fur texture realistic look, put some strokes slowly without a gap in a rhythm. Get proper shadows and the highlights. Correct strokes are very important. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you are a beginner and want to learn sketching from scratch, please follow and subscribe to my YouTube for some more detailed video. Thank you so much.